Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline, and in this video we're going to look at how to control our parallel turns a little bit more. So what we find when people are skiing parallel, one of the hardest parts is going from turn to turn. What we find a lot is that they get a little bit caught up with where to balance, and what gets in the way is if our legs don't go to the same length in between the turns. So what can happen when we go around a parallel turn is my inside leg here is a little bit shorter than my outside one, and then when I go around this way, my outside one is a little bit longer than my inside. So what that means is that in between the turns there'll be a moment when my legs are the same length, and it's okay to think about that, and then that I use as a little bit of a reset, and it pops me into the right place to make it easier then to start to turn around the corner. So if you're having some trouble rebalancing or recentering yourself in between the turns, remember that your legs have got to go to the same length before you can then have that outside leg become a little bit longer and stronger as you go around the corner. Give this a try when you're next on the hill and let me know how it goes, and I'll catch you in the next